this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a unique one from a new company called immi. I-M-M-I. And this is their black garlic chicken variety. This is a ramen soup, plant-based, 22 grams of protein, 6 grams of net carbs per serving. The package is a serving, 310 calories. It's got 16 grams of fiber. So it has how many carbs? Oh wait, doesn't it say 18? Yeah, 18 grams of fiber. So the total carbs are 24. You have 18 grams of fiber. That offsets the amount of carbs. That's the net carbs. So that means there's only 6. 880 mils of sodium. Yeah, let's cook it up. This takes a little while. Here's your noodle block. It's orange. Orange. There we go. 7 minutes cook time. And then we've got your little spicy sachet. The noodle's interesting. It kind of wouldn't mind trying to make bread out of it. Interesting. Stir this a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't want to get going super fast, but 7 minutes, it should be done in 7 minutes, I'm gonna guess. So what's everybody up to? It is 10:30 a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's a dark, hairy looking day outside, but it is okay. Not rainy, not windy as of yet, but that probably is going to change as the day goes on. Yesterday was nuts. I really liked the power outage. I really like power outages. But what? Oh, I found something interesting. So I went and checked the mail, and sometimes people leave junk for free in the mail room. More often than not, it's bread, and it's expired bread. And they're thinking like, no, it's good for people, it's not bad. They put all these dates on here, it's a bunch of rubbish. Yeah, you go in the mailroom, it smells like moldy bread, it's so freaking gross. But then people will leave things out, maybe like kids' clothes or shoes or stuff like that, that they could like bring to the thrift store and donate, but they just like decided the mailroom at one point would be a place to bring stuff and give it away. I've brought tons of instant noodles in there. I'm gonna put my old bread machine in there. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Anyways, there was a Bluetooth keyboard that had like a little spot you put a tablet in, so you can type directly onto your tablet. And it works. I hooked it up to my phone and it worked. I was thinking like Miles really likes typing on his tablet. I wonder if it'll work with that. No. Apparently it's not compatible with Amazon Fire, Kindle Fire tablets. Like, that sucks. Way to go, Amazon. Maybe there's an update that makes them... No. This thing is sucking up a lot of liquid. I don't know that there's going to be much more than a cup left after this gets drained off. I guess I could put more liquid in it. I mean, if I've got to drain it anyways. Yeah. I got this thing all screwed up. I've got the speaker playing through my regular phone, which also has the video from what you're seeing right now on it. Whereas usually I have the other phone doing it. But the other phone was over there yesterday doing a time-lapse video, so I had to do something a little different. Well, there. I don't like that song either. Yeah, okay. Oh, connection lost. See, that's the thing. I like this GoPro thing, but I don't at the same time. It's easy to rip files off of it. The naming convention is stupid, though. So instead of having like file 1, 2, 3, 4, and then say you're recording for like an hour, it's gonna break it up into multiple files, right? Instead of having like 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, it does it the opposite. So you'll have like, oh, what is it? 100-344. Then you'll have 200-344 and 300-344. So when you're trying to sort those files by anything other than creation date, you're just kind of like going, and there'll probably be 2 files for this one because it's still got 2 minutes for this stuff to cook. This is really strange. It said I put in 2 cups of water, and then you're supposed to drain the water off, saving 1 cup of water, and you put the water and the drained noodles in a bowl, then you add the seasoning and stir it up. But honestly, I don't know that there's even gonna... Hopefully there's a cup left. I hope. I do. But it's like really sucking it in. So we shall see. 7 minutes seems like a really freaking long time too. It's boil it for 7 minutes, right? Boil 2 cups of water, add ramen, cook for 7 minutes. Place ramen and 1 cup of cooking water in a bowl. Add soup. Wait, what? Oh, add soup base to bowl, stir, and then you're done. Okay, so I'm on track. We got 20 seconds. Okay. We shall see how it be. So we want to get it up to 1 cup right there. Do that first. Okay, we're good. I feel like there's not going to be a cup worth of water left. Okay, there's a cup. Now we'll drain the rest off. Okay. Exactly 1 cup of water. That's a little funny. So there's like literally a cup of water in these noodles. So let's add this in and try this enjoyable pumpkinitude. I'm really curious. I really like pumpkin. That's kind of like... I'm really excited about another variety that's coming out that is pumpkin spice flavor. I've been told where it is too by the company that makes it. It's one of those bitter... Be careful, you know, you gotta go find it. Da, 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 da. It's like, just send me some, you jerks. These guys sent me some stuff. Golly. Okay, black garlic, quote unquote chicken flavor. These noodles are very much engorged, but they don't seem extremely soft. But that's okay because they're gonna be like, they're gonna have like a hearty rustic kind of tooth to them because of all that fiber. That's my guess. All right. Yeah, whoa. Pumpkin seed noodle. Let's give this a try. Mmm. Very, very rubbery. I don't know what else to say about it. It reminds me of like a konjac noodle, but it's not quite the same. I know a konjac noodle would be like squeaking on your teeth rubbery. These definitely have a lot of springy bounce. It's like chewing on a rubber band, but not. Mm. Hmm. Okay, here's the broth. Yeah. So, I hate to say it, but the noodles are... You all right out there, sweetie? Oh, I'll be there in a second. Oh. That is a rubbery noodle, folks. I'm really sorry. I don't know what to do other than say, yeah, not a huge fan. I just don't understand. But I gotta hurry up here. My little cutie out there is not doing good. I don't know, the flavor is not really all that interesting. I'm compelled to try more. Hmm. Yeah, this stuff really has my head spinning. I will give this for it. I've never had anything really quite like this. And I like that. That really fascinates me. But I don't know. I have to talk to the company and go, what is going... A little bit of pepper flake. It's really striking stuff. I think it's interesting. But I think the way the noodle gauge is like one of my favorite gauges. I like recognize this completely. But there's something I just we'll see. I think I might eat all this. I really don't know, but it's just so weird and different and interesting. Yeah. Well, that's it for me for today. There's 2 other kinds of these immi noodles, so I'll give those a try too. Maybe I'll like one of those better. Yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.